Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well. Today's video topic is if you are unable to install your Windows operating system and you are getting this kind of error window. Windows cannot be installed to this disk. The selected disk is of the GPT partition style. So to fix this error, you have to simply convert your GPT to MBR and I will show you how to do it. First, cut this window, cut this error. Click on yes. Now click on this option, repair your computer. Now click on troubleshoot. After that, click on this option, command prompt. So now we are going to convert GPT to MBR. But one important thing that in this process, all your data in your hard drive will remove. So make sure you have take the data backup. Now start the process and type the first command, disk part. Press enter. Now type the next command, list space disk. Press enter. So this command will show all the storage you have or you have connected with your laptop or desktop. So as you can see, these are the two storage I have in my laptop. The first one is the disk 0 is my internal hard drive of 120 GB and the second one, disk 1, is my USB pen drive. So I have to select my internal hard drive, the first one. So I will type the next command, select disk. After that, you have to enter the disk number. So this is my disk number 0 and this is my internal hard drive of 120 GB. So I will type 0, press enter. Now you have to type the next command, clean, press enter. Now type the final command, convert space MBR. So this command will convert GPT to MBR. Press enter and you can see disk part successfully converted to the selected disk to MBR format. Now type exit. Press enter. Now type exit again. Press enter. That's it. Now reboot your system. First, click on this option, turn off your PC. Now start the installation process again. Click on next, click on install now. Select your edition, click on next. I accept, click on next, custom. So this is my hard drive of 120 GB. Now select the unallocated space, click on new to create a new partition. Click on apply, click on OK. That's it. Now click on next to start the installation. That's it. This is all for the video. Thank you.